Conductor Carl, we've got a little bad weather that might be coming not invited. It's called a derecho. It's a direct line wind. Could be speeds up to hurricane force and blow over everything on top of the grass. All right, we're going to go ahead and go with our train ride as scheduled.
The train is coming.
We see some bad weather, we're going to let you know.
It's a storm. It's a storm.
There's a derecho, train line grid coming through the city. What's that? I can't hear you. Get out of the way! There's a big wind coming! Look out! Hang on! There goes Louisville right off the back again. Oh my goodness! That's just blowing the cars. It's worse than a 10 tornadoes. It's a hurricane. It's a hurricane. Negative 4. Oh my goodness! There goes half the baseball field. There goes the highway. Oh my goodness! The railroad tracks and next cars. Nothing left. There ain't nothing left, folks, but a railroad crossing sign left in the town. Trains are upside down, trucks are on their tops. The train building's blown clear off the cliff down into the canyon. All the cars and the trains from the people are laying down in the canyon down there.
Oh no, this too.
Oh man, it almost blew the snow right off the mountain. The snow caps right off the mountain. That was one of the hardest winds I've ever seen. It lifted the tracks up and threw the trains across the woods into the Grand Canyon down here. All of them are laying in the Grand Canyon. Oh no! We're not going to find people for weeks. They're spread across 3 different states, in trees, under the ground, in bear caves, and up on top of high wire lines. That was a miserable wind. The only thing left standing in town is the railroad crossing sign. That's it. Yeah.